This is Brandy Phillips. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to learn how to create a contact list in Outlook. Are you sending regular emails to your squad? Are you having to type in multiple members of an email every time you want to send an email to your department or your team? Well, here's an easy solution. My name's Brandy Phillips. This is my contact information. Please contact me if you have questions about this tutorial or suggestions for other tutorials. To get started, you'll need to open Outlook on your desktop. We're going to be using the new Outlook application. Let me show you how to find it. When you open your laptop, you'll see a search bar at the bottom. Just type in Outlook and you'll see a pop-up window. You're going to look for the Outlook app, not Outlook Classic. Be sure to select Outlook app. Once you find that Outlook app and you click on it, again, we're using the new Outlook, not Outlook Classic. If you've never used the desktop application of Outlook, it's going to take a while to load your email. Just be patient and enjoy the cute little puppy in the corner of the screen. Now, once your Outlook application opens, should look something like this. You should see the maroon Flower Bluff ISD ribbon at the top of your screen. You're going to click on People in left navigation. You can see my arrow here pointing to the People icon. When you click on that People icon, you're going to get a new window that appears, and you're going to find the New Contact button up there in the top left corner. When you click on the drop-down arrow, you'll get a drop-down that shows New Contact and New Contact List. Select New Contact List. All right, when you do that, you're going to get this pop-up window, and now we're ready to go. You need to create a unique name for your contact list, not first grade team. Often those already exist in the contacts created by the district, but create a unique contact list. I really recommend that you put the school year at the end of that contact list name so that you can update it each year with new members if necessary. So you're going to type it right there in contact list name. Once you type in your contact list name, I'm using an example of Tech Ambassadors 2526. Then you're going to move down to the add email addresses box. And when you start typing names, it'll start searching for people with those names. Here I've typed in Joseph Gonzalez. You can see that I'm getting suggested search results. So when I click on Joseph's name with his flowerbluffschools.net account, it'll add that member to my group. You keep typing names until you add all of the members to your group. And then you're going to click the Create button at the bottom of that screen. All right, we're one step closer. You should then see this window and a list with probably just your one contact list listed under the Your Contact List title. You can create more than one contact list, as you can see I have here. I've got an old one from 2425 for ITC PLC, and then I updated a new list for 2526. All right. Let's move along. Now, when you're ready to send an email, this is when this comes in handy. You open up a new email, and in the to box, you start typing the name of the contact list that you created. You can see I started typing in tech, and anything that starts with text shows up in my search results. You can see Tech Ambassadors. I'll just click on that, and then all of the members of my Tech Ambassadors group will be included in my email. This is an awesome tool to save you time and effort. I love workflow efficiency tools, and any way I can make our job easier to just save us time and get the job done. I'm Brandy Phillips. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful in your workflow. Thanks for tuning in.